So, in this video, I'm going to demonstrate how you print faceplate labels from the PT-E920BT using the Pro Label tool app. So what you'll need to do is select faceplate from the list of template categories here on the home screen. Number of blocks, how many ports are we doing? Is it going to be a single port? Is it going to be a 2-gang? Is it going to be a 3-gang? A lot of the faceplates out there are 2-port, very easy to do. Now, it's important to measure the DESI window of the faceplate, and at that particular point, you can put in how long you want the label to be. You can see the orientation down here, which, if you wish, you can change to either vertical or horizontal. So in this case, I'm going to change it to horizontal. You can also change the font and text size in here, so I'm just going to increase the text size a little. And we're going to serialize this job, so if we hit the serialize option down here and then serialize data. We can then customize the identifier depending on the type of components we're labeling, whether it's data points, switches, or other electrical wiring outlets. If we enter the first identifier, S/101, then you want to hit serialization. That way we can create a series of labels, which means we don't have to type each one individually. You want the machine to do the work for you, which will save us a lot of time. Now it's going to ask me to input a specific count. This is essentially the total number of ports you have. So, if we enter 24 for example, then scroll down to the preview here at the bottom, you can see it's generated 12 2-port faceplate labels in sequential order. Once you're happy, press Done here in the top right corner. So let's go ahead and print a few. When we go to Print, and then Print Range, it will give us a couple of options. All records, which is the job you just built, the entire job, in this case 12 2-port labels, or a specific range. So let's just print part of this job. Let's say 1 to 4. Tap Return to lock that in. And then we want to make sure that we're using the half cut feature in order to print the labels in one continuous strip. To do that, simply tap Cut to open up the different cut settings and ensure that half cut and cutter end are enabled, and make sure that the auto cut function is disabled, and then hit Print. Importantly, you can see the half cut feature is in use here, which means that if you're on site, you can take the entire strip of labels with you and peel and stick, so you're not searching around for individual labels or losing them. It's just ready to go sequentially. So here's your strip. You can see the perforated cut right here. So I'll peel the first label, and there's your 2-port faceplate. Here's the rest of the job right here. So you see, the half cut feature is a real time saver on site.